So, have you ever felt poor? Well, with everything that's been going on around the world, with costs continually going up and people's wages and salaries continually going down, I think all of us have felt poor, been poor, or are poor right now. But today I'm going to be showing you an article that's going to make you feel even more poor. So, from this, they say that Bill Gates makes $10.95 million dollars per day, and that is more than 4 times what the average person will earn in a lifetime. And Bill Gates has been astoundingly rich for many years. And as a matter of fact, in the past 20 years, he's either been at the top in terms of the Forbes richest list or in the top spots. And if you want to break it down even further, that means that he makes approximately $117 per second. And even with a lower estimate where he makes $7.6 million per day, that translates to $319,635 per hour. Absolutely mind blowing. But if you think that's a lot, let's go ahead and take a look at the other richest people because Bill Gates is no longer number one. So if we go to the Forbes top richest list, this is as of December 1st, 2023. Elon Musk, not surprisingly, is the richest person in the world. He's currently worth $245.3 billion. And in second place is Bernard Arnault. He's the only non-US person on here. And if you don't know who he is, just think about luxury brands like Louis Vuitton, Christian Dior, Sephora, all those things. He owns all of that, and he's worth $191.3 billion. Number three, we have Jeff Bezos, of course, Amazon. He's currently worth $168.4 billion. And for a while there, he was at the number one spot. And I'm pretty sure he's not going to go away anytime soon. Number four, we have Larry Ellison, founder of Oracle, currently worth $146.5 billion. So if you don't know what that company is, it pretty much runs most of the databases that people are using for a long time. And then after that, number five, we have Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, currently worth $119.3 billion. And for a while there, he was number one and number two. And then number six, we have, of course, Bill Gates. You would think he would be higher. So he's worth $117.6 billion. And for many years, he was the number one or in the top 5 spots. And then after that, we have number 7, Mark Zuckerberg of Facebook or Meta, currently worth $115.9 billion. And I think he is the youngest person on this list. Number 8, we have Steve Ballmer, former CEO of Microsoft, and he was one of the original employees at Microsoft, and he's been really, really rich from that. So he's now worth $112.8 billion. Number 9, we get into the Google boys with Larry Page at $111.7 billion. And then on the number 10 spot is Sergey Brin worth $107.3 billion. So just think about that and then kind of look at how much Bill Gates earned per day, but then realize that he's not even in the top 5 spot. He's actually number 6. So you can imagine when you get to the number 1 spot with somebody like Elon Musk, how much he's worth every single second, every single day. It's absolutely insane. My mind can't even wrap around that. And so, yeah, if you're ever feeling poor, well, just realize that you could feel even more poor. But also, I would say be grateful for what you have, because no matter how much money you have, that doesn't mean that you can't be happy with everything that you have in your life, specifically your health, your family, and your loved ones. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below, and I'll see you on another episode. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.